This is an ISE special. My name is Tim Albright. I am your host. What we're doing is we are previewing Integrated Systems Europe 2018. If you are not familiar, ISE comes your way between the 6th and 9th of February from Amsterdam at the RAI. With us today from Barco is David Fitzgerald. Welcome, sir.
Hey, good morning, Tim. Thanks for having me on.
Absolutely, absolutely. So you guys are in Hall 12. Hall 12, F as in Frank 100 is the actual stand number. You, Barco, has been doing a lot of announcing the last few months, and actually the last year or so. So as we're walking through Hall 12, if you're looking at the front of the RAI, it's there in the back left-hand corner. As they're walking through Hall 12 and they come upon F100, what are we going to walk into when we get to the Barco stand?
So when you come up to the booth, you'll see. I think you'll come in on the enterprise side of the booth, and so we essentially have two groups within Barco that leverage the ISE event: the enterprise group and the entertainment group. Our entertainment products from our projection, our LED, our image processing, and on the enterprise side, you know us for our Clickshare, for our control room products, and for the new Unisee product, if you've seen that. And of course, all of those will be there at the booth, and I can sort of walk you through a few of those things. There'll be a few exciting things. If we start on the entertainment side, on the enterprise side, certainly Clickshare has been getting a great deal of attention. We continue to improve on that platform and add products to that platform. We have an exciting promotion for ISE. There'll be the Golden Button contest. So
hang over there. A golden Barco button.
Yeah.
Okay.
So there'll actually be some samples of the buttons throughout, and you'll be able to do some things on social media and request demos. And if you request a demo, go through the demo. You're in the drawing for a gold reward, right? So a golden reward with the Barco button and the weight of it's equivalent in gold. So a couple of ounces of gold. I won't quote the exact weight here, but it's exciting. It'll be certainly worth your while to come by and get a demo of Clickshare and certainly see some of the new features we've added to it, especially the video performance on Clickshare.
Real quickly, if you're interested in registering for the demo, how do they do that? Is that through the website or through your social media?
Yeah, come right up to the booth and
Okay.
and you can register for it. You can also go to the website. There's some links there for you to set appointments. So you'll be able to set an appointment at the booth, and we'll have somebody there waiting for you.
All right. Following along within enterprise, Unisee was one of the significant announcements you guys made back in October, and I'm assuming then that you guys will have the Unisee video wall there.
Yes, we'll have a full 3x3, at least 3x3 video wall for Unisee. You'll be able to see the great color performance, the great uniformity within the panels, the way we keep the color and brightness balanced. Also, not to be missed is from time to time throughout the day, we'll be doing the demonstration of the mechanical apparatus that allows you to change panels very easily. It's a very unique design. It's been getting a great deal of attention. In our showroom in New York, we've had a steady stream of people coming through it. We've got some touring demonstration units that are getting a lot of attention, and we're really excited about this product.
Yeah, absolutely. The Spring Studios there in New York is actually the first place I saw it, and then I also saw it again, the touring one as well. And the ease of use is phenomenal. If you are going to ISE, I would at least suggest you stop by just to see the ease of installation and the ease of adjustment and maintenance on it.
Yeah. From a total cost of ownership for the customer over a long period of time, it's going to be great both for the integrator and for the end user. And of course, the quality of the image and the seam, the very tight 0.3 millimeter gap between panels is unprecedented. So it's very exciting. Our whole enterprise team is focused on delivering experiences, and Clickshare is part of our meeting room experience. Unisee is part of our operator and control room operator experience. Within the meeting experience, we also have a new entry to the family. For the first time, you'll have at ISE, we'll have our We Present product in our booth as opposed to in a separate booth. So we're bringing those products together to allow for a fuller meeting experience, both in the classroom and in the boardroom. The We Present product is focused on education, but it's got some applications where people can't use a button or want to have solely have a solution on the network. So that's been very well received, and that's going to be right in the same area. So you'll be able to see Clickshare and you'll be able to see We Present right there side by side across from each other. In addition, on the learning experience side, we've got our We Connect product, which is a very exciting product. It's cloud-based. We've just started to deploy it. It's our first product that we have inside our digital transformation platform, which has been released, and we're very excited about that. Please come by and see that. If you're if you are interested in the education space, it's for flipped classroom applications.
With a purchase about a year and a half ago, you guys brought a control systems into play. Are people going to be able to interact with and learn more about Overture?
Yeah, the AVCX is our AV control experience, and that again is within the control in the enterprise space. And they will have you'll have that right in the same area that we have Clickshare and We Present. Okay. So the team will be able to give you a very good overview of the great features that the Overture platform has, and we're getting a lot of traction there as well. So two other areas that are of interest, I think, Tim, that we'll want to stress at the show at ISE, and one comes from entertainment, and one comes from our enterprise group, and that's LED, both direct view LED, where we'll have all of our new resolutions for the X series. The 1.2, the 1.5, the 2.7, and the 4. And then we'll also have a new rental product that we'll be introducing at the show, which will be a 2.5, I believe. I can confirm that. And then on the enterprise side, of course, we're so well known for our control room products, and there'll be a lot of there'll be some news around both the OpSpace platform that you'll want to see, a very unique platform for enhancing the operator experience. And then, of course, our award-winning and long-term product with the rear projection cubes. And we've got some things for laser upgrades, and of course the seams and the picture quality on that, including our Sense 6 technology to keep color and brightness balanced, which is also something we use on the Unisee wall. So we pull things from from both of our divisions, and that's going to be a good big picture story.
Yeah, so not quite you reusing that technology, but you reusing portions of the technology for several different products.
We are, especially on Unisee and the cubes for the control rooms. We have a proven platform with Sense 6 to keep the colors and brightness balanced from cube to cube over a long period of time. So we're trying to leverage that strength we've had in the control rooms. And then with Unisee, of course, you can certainly use it in control rooms. It'll be a very strong product there, but it's got a much broader appeal for more traditional corporate settings like lobby walls.
All right, very cool. All right, so from the entertainment side, what are we going to see?
So on the entertainment side, we'll have what you'll expect to see from Barco, some very high-end projection. We've got there'll be a dome there that you're not going to want to miss, with a really super bright projector that I don't think I can talk too much more about it than now, but it will be there. You'll not want to miss that. That'll be a very dynamic and impressive projection deployment.
So a projection mapping onto a dome.
Onto a dome.
Okay,
yes.
Very good.
Yeah, and very bright. Our tagline is to we deliver bright outcomes, and in this case, we will be delivering a very bright outcome.
All right, very good. All right, if somebody is not coming to the show, they're not going to ISE, how do they follow along with the announcement that you will inevitably be making come the 6th of February?
So social media will be very aggressive on social media, and you'll see it there. Certainly our website, www.barco.com. It'll be front and center there, and you'll be able to see lots of information about what's going on at ISE. Our marketing team is going to do a great job, I think, this year with the assistance of some of our field-based people to be able to spread the word on social media better than we ever have before.
Yeah, absolutely. If you want to follow along with social media, it is at Barco on Twitter, and also several of your employees, both here in the States and abroad, are rather active on social media as well. So I'm sure.
Yeah, we have a lot to say.
Yes, it seems to be. So again, if you are going to the show, it is Hall 12. F as in Frank 100. If you're not going to the show, obviously barco.com or at Barco on social media. David Fitzgerald, I appreciate it, sir. Thank you for your time.
Yeah, and if my email is david.fitzgerald@barco.com. If I'll be hosting a number of people from the States. We don't have a huge contingent, but if you need some special attention, please feel free to reach out to me.
Actually, that's a huge thing because more and more integrators that I talk to every year are going to ISE in the States from North America. This will be our 4th year covering, and every single year I find more and more North American integrators over there. So that's actually a really good point. So, yeah. All right. For more information about us, you can find us at AVNation.tv, AVNation.tv, or follow along as we go to Amsterdam and bring you everything from Barco and all the other 15 halls at Integrated Systems Europe, 6th through the 9th of February. So all that and more at avnation.tv, avnation.tv.